Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And just as the title says, no fray header wrap. This is DEI, exhaust pipe header wrap. And there is a trick to making this so it doesn't fray after you cut it. I've already cut that piece. You can tell it's holding up pretty good, rubbing on it. I suppose if you really yank on it, there's a piece if I really yank on it. But let me show you how I did that. Stick around. Okay, so I'm back here with a piece of the header wrap. I'm just gonna cut this off here real quick. So you can see this is kind of how it comes. It's basically falling apart. You've seen this online. Look at that. It just comes out so easily there. So this is what I'm gonna use. It's just, this is super glue. This happens to be in a pen. It would probably work much easier if you could just brush it on. So what we're gonna do is where you want to cut it. Now this could be already installed on one end and maybe you're wanting to cut it right here or right here. I'm not gonna waste a bunch for this. But you're just going to apply the super glue in a line where you're going to want to cut. Now, unfortunately, this super glue, I have to push on this plunger to get it to come out. And you're just gonna make a line saturating the fibers. Get them all so the fibers stick together. And then once they stick together and they're dry, all you have to do is cut it. Cut it down the middle, and you'll have a nice fray-free end on each piece. One to finish your header and the other one to start a new one. So it doesn't seem to stick to the plastic, so I'm using that. And it dries pretty quick. I mean, it dries good enough. I mean, you can see I'm touching it. It's not, I can feel a couple wet spots there, but it's not sticking to my skin. So you can see how it's kind of locked it in. So let's say this was attached to the header and this is going to my roll. I might not quite have a wide enough glue path there. But you cut along that dark area where that glue was. And you'll have two fray-free ends. That's not fraying. And this one's not fraying. It's actually holding pretty good. Now, once that's on the header and the header heats up, it'll probably smell a little bit when it burns. I want to be around the fumes. Of course, they're toxic. So anyway, that's how I'm going to do it. Whether you do it that way or not, you know, you do this at your own risk. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.